Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and today we are talking about the latest number from Microsoft about Windows 10. So it was announced and revealed that Windows 10 is now in use on more than 800 million PCs. That's a jump of 100 million computers or devices since September, which is pretty nice. It's a hefty, increase. So 800 million. The first milestone before that was 600 million. That was announced like almost a year before. So they had a pause because a lot of people were wondering, because between the 600, 700 million devices, there was kind of a weird pause. We were wondering why. And it seems that the 600 million number was not calculated correctly, and it included virtual machines. So they held on to that number to really have real devices. So that's where 700 million then actually arrived at some point, and they stayed there for a while. Now 800 million, these are real devices, not licenses sold. In the past, Windows 7, for example, the numbers given were license that were sold. Well, a license that's sold doesn't mean that it's actually a Windows 7 machine with it. It might just be a license that's still available out there. In Windows 10, the telemetry is different. It's real devices that are reporting themselves to Microsoft's telemetry. And basically 800 million PCs. Now, there's not just PCs in there. There's a small number of this that is, of course, Xbox. So you got to remember that Xbox is part of the Windows 10 devices, and there are a few other types of devices that are running a variant of Windows 10 that are actually calculated. But the bulk, more than 95% of all of this is probably computers around the world. So it's a good number. It's interesting because if you remember back in 2015, they had announced that 1 billion PCs would be running Windows 10 mid-2018. Now we are going forward into 2019. We're at 800 million. Of course, they hadn't mentioned that number was missed due to the fact that they basically have no Windows Phone, which would have been, of course, part of the numbers of Windows 10. But Windows Phone is now gone, and probably a very, very, very small percentage or whatever is in the Windows 10 telemetry here. But 800 million is a good thing. We're less than a year away now from Windows 7 demise. So basically, I think it's good news. And it also shows us that if it continues at this pace or increase, well, a year from now, we're probably going to announce the billion PCs of Windows 10, which is pretty impressive when you think about it. So 800 million, this is where we stand. And for those that wonder, the October 2018 update is still, we have no new numbers. It's, we're still at 20-some%. So if you're wondering why we're not at the October 2018 update, there's still a lot of people that are not there at all. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.